Want to see all the fun products I got in my BoxyCharm box this month? Keep watching to find out. What's up, gorgeous people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to go over with you the products I received in my BoxyCharm subscription box. And those of you who are not familiar with BoxyCharm, it is a makeup subscription service. And I'm going to go into detail in the next segment for those of you who are curious about how it all works, what you get, that kind of thing. But for those of you who are not interested and already know how it works and just curious what I got in my box, jump to this timestamp. That will show you everything that I got in the box. At any rate, I was very curious about these subscription makeup services because I get all of my makeup, almost all of my makeup at the Dollar Tree. No lie, no kidding, no exaggeration. I truly get pretty much all of my makeup at the Dollar Tree. The only thing that I'm not buying there is my foundation. Other than that, I literally get everything else there because to me, if you use a good setting spray, and my setting spray is so-so, I mean, it's not top of the line, it all works the same. That's just my honest opinion. But I wanted to try this out because to me, it seemed like you got really expensive products for a very minimal price. So I thought, well, why not give this a try? I mean, 25 bucks a month, whatever, I'll try it. And you're supposed to get a great value for that amount of money. So let's see if I got at least a $25 value in my box. Okay guys, so when you jump onto their homepage, it looks like this. You're going to go to the top of the page, click on quizzes, select the beauty quiz to receive the beauty box. They have this new complexion thing. I haven't done anything with that yet, but it's a separate thing from the beauty box, so you want to take the beauty quiz. Now we're going to move on to what type of subscriptions they have. You can do the monthly for $25 a month, or if you want to do it for longer periods of time and you know that, you can select which one works best for you. For example, for the 12-month one, you will prepay $275 for the full year, so you get 12 boxes for the price of $11, which breaks down to $22.92 a month. Pretty cool, right? So you get a little bit of savings if you do it for longer periods of time. Okay, so here's a quick overview of how it works. You're going to select one item in your box every month during the choice window. You can add more items at member exclusive prices. Then you're going to receive separate tracking emails for your Boxy and add-ons within 5 to 10 business days from your purchase. Once you've had the products, you've tried them out, you need to go and review the items so that they can customize for future boxes, and then you can earn charm points to redeem for free beauty products while supplies last. Okay, so you're probably asking yourself, what is choice? Well, all active charmers have the power to choose at least one item for their upcoming boxes during choice while supplies last. You are able to submit your choice directly on your account during the choice window dates for your subscriptions, which are a very limited time during the month, so be sure to mark your calendar. When your choice window rolls around and it's time for you to choose, you are choosing for your next box, not for the current month. For example, in January, you are choosing for the February box. So just keep that in mind when you're making your choice. Okay, so how many items will be in your box? You will receive 5 beauty products in your BoxyCharm every month. What products will be in there? Charmers will receive specially curated products from well-known, popular, chic, and up-and-coming brands. Their beauty experts carefully select each item based on current and emerging trends, so you're always in the know about the latest shades and styles. That means makeup, skincare, hair care, and much more. That all sounds pretty awesome to me. Okay, so what are charms? Well, exclusively for active members, charms are their way of giving back to their charmers for their loyalty. Charms can be used exclusively at their charm room, and 100 charms equal $1. Charms are earned by reviewing the items you received in your monthly box and by referring friends. Hey there, Amber here. Sorry to interrupt the video, but I just wanted to pop in and say if you're enjoying this video, I have many more like this and many more to come. So make sure that you're subscribed and click the notification bell so you know every time I upload a video. I have so many more great things to come and I would love to have you along for the ride. Let's jump back into this awesome unboxing. Okay, so how do you redeem your charms? Well, you're going to choose a product that you would like to purchase from the charm room and add it to your cart. Once in your cart, you're going to click the Use Charms button on the lower left-hand corner of your page. If you do not see this button and you are using a mobile device, click the Details button to prompt your cart, as the button will be located there. And what's really cool about this is the charm orders ship free within the United States, and they're only an additional $5 for the areas indicated in parentheses here. Okay, and I also wanted to make you aware they have something that's called Boxy Pop-Up, and that is their biggest shopping event that features the best in makeup, skincare, hair care, lifestyle, and more at up to 80% off. This exclusive product offering is only available for active members and happens every 3 months, so make sure you don't miss it. Okay, now let's jump into some of the upgrades that they offer. They have something called BoxyCharm Premium, which is a new and bigger monthly subscription valued at a minimum of $175 a box. This elevated box features 6 to 7 beauty products for only $35 a month, plus taxes and shipping. And the cool thing about this is that you don't have to sacrifice your current BoxyCharm subscription. You can be subscribed to both the BoxyCharm and the BoxyCharm Premium at the same time on the same account and receive totally different beauty product variations in each box. Pretty cool, right? Okay, and they also have something called Boxy Luxe. And Boxy Luxe is an upgrade to the BoxyCharm subscription. So in March, June, September, and December, you'll receive 8 to 9 full-size beauty, skincare, and lifestyle items. The average value for the Luxe is over $250. Now, during these months, you'll be billed an additional $24.99 to your monthly BoxyCharm payment for a total of $49.99 plus taxes and shipping. Now, depending on the date that you upgrade, your first Luxe box could be a Boxy Luxe box with 8 to 9 items that replaces your BoxyCharm box, or a BoxyCharm box with 5 items and a Luxe starter box with 4 to 5 items. For the months in between, you will continue to receive the BoxyCharm box with a total of 5 full-size items. Now, during these months, you'll continue to be billed the $25 unless you have one of those other subscription services where you get a little bit more of a discounted rate. So you're still going to pay the regular rate that you pay each month for your regular BoxyCharm, but on these particular months, you'll pay an additional $24.99. Kind of a cool upgrade, a little confusing, but I kind of like the fact that you can get more stuff on 4 months out of the year. Okay, now let's jump into why most of you clicked on this video, and let's see what they sent me in my first box. Okay, guys, so here's my box. Super cute, whatever. And spoiler alert, I did already open it. But nonetheless, I'm going to open it here with you guys. And here's the nice pink inside. Woo! And then here's the products that they sent me. You get a nice little foam piece in here, I'm assuming to help protect the products. And I will probably use this in a future DIY. Nonetheless, let's move on to the items that they sent to me in this box. Okay, guys, so the first product that they sent to me in my box is this Gerard Cosmetics lip pencil in the color Luna. So here's the color that it is. I'll open it for you guys. Yeah, the lid was off in the box when I got it, so this went all over this stuff that was in the box. So pretty awesome, huh? I'm not sure. Yeah, so I guess there's no retractable thing. You know what? And also, guys, oh, here we go. Yeah, I was gonna say, surely you get more than just that, right? Just saying. Nonetheless, this product is valued at $16, so we're already almost to the point of the cost of the entire box, and this is just the first little item. So I really don't use lip liners very often, but I don't know, I guess since it was in the box and it's already damaged, so I can't use it in a giveaway, I'll give it a try. So that's product one. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, guys, and I forgot to mention that there's actually little pamphlets and things that come in your box, and I don't know what I did with mine. I'm usually pretty good at keeping that kind of stuff, but yeah, who knows what happened to it. Nonetheless, here's the next product I got. It's this Pureless Perfect Glow BB Cream. Yeah, I've never used anything like this before. It's valued at $35. So, I mean, we're well past the cost of the box at this point. So that's pretty exciting. But they're saying that the benefits of this cream, it helps improve your skin complexion. It softens and evens the skin tone, hydrates the skin, helps reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Who doesn't need that? And it's also prevents UVA and UVB damage. So, I mean, I'll definitely give this a try. Again, never tried anything like this. And as you can see, look, this is where the lip liner got on this product. So even if I wanted to use these in a giveaway, I don't know how I would even get this lip liner off of here. So I'll probably be keeping everything in this particular box. Nonetheless, let's move on to our next product. Okay guys, so the next product that I got was this Cab lip liner and lip gloss duo. So again, I'm really not a big lip liner or lip gloss fan. I'll give it a try. I mean, we'll see. This is the color that they sent to me. I don't know if it's really my color because I normally wear darker colors. And then of course the lip liner will be, you know, the same. Just saying. I'm not a makeup guru, but I do know that much. So yeah, this is valued at $38. In what universe I would ever pay $38 for this, I don't know. I haven't tried it yet. But yeah, I don't see myself ever paying $38 for something like this. So this is a good service already for me because I would definitely never try this kind of stuff otherwise. So yeah, so far it's an okay box. Let's move on to the next product. Okay guys, so the next product that they sent to me is this Skin & Co. Face Gommage. Yeah, I've never used anything like this before. I guess this is supposed to be like an exfoliating, anti-aging type situation. You know, I'll have to read the directions on how I'm supposed to use this. But look at how much lip liner I got on this guy. Yeah, awesome. Anyways, this is valued at $28. So, I mean, would I ever buy anything like this otherwise? Yeah, definitely not. So again, I think that this is a good service for someone like me who would never try products like this. And who knows, maybe this will work really well for me and it'll be something that I buy, like, you know, in the future to use on a regular basis. So that's the purpose of this service, is to try to get these products out to people so that they can try them, see if they like them. And then if they do, then they become a return customer for this company. So yeah, I don't know. We'll see how this one goes. I'm excited to try this stuff because this is very outside my box and these products are very expensive. Clearly, when I'm shopping at the Dollar Tree, would I ever buy anything like this? Yeah, no. So this is pretty good. Let's check out this last item that they sent to me and that's going to wrap up my box. Okay guys, so the final product that they sent me in my box is this Zoeva Opulence eyeshadow palette. So I'm sure I butchered the name because I am clearly not a makeup guru. So this by far was my most exciting thing. This is valued at $28. Let me show you the colors because there's no excitement like this, right? So let me show you the colors. I was really excited about the colors in this palette. Look at this. So pretty. I am really excited to try this. This is definitely up my alley. I'm very adventurous in just about everything that I do, from makeup to crafts to clothes, whatever. I like to try pretty much anything, but this palette is valued at $28. So I would never, and I mean never, buy this product myself. So it's really cool that I get to try it with the subscription service. So that's why I'm so excited about this subscription service, because these are products that I would definitely never buy on my own, but I am open to trying them. And if I like them, then yes, I may continue to buy them. So that's what makes this service so awesome for someone like me, especially because I would never spend this much on this kind of stuff, but maybe they're going to open my eyes and make me realize how much better, more expensive makeup is. So we'll see how this goes. I'm really excited to keep doing this. So what I plan to do in the future is I'm going to go ahead and do an unboxing for my next BoxyCharm box. But before I do that, I will review the products that came in this box because I'm definitely going to try them all. So let you guys know what I think about all those products really quick. I won't go into super great detail on them. And that way you guys can get an idea if maybe these were products that you would like to buy for yourself. And then I will obviously do an unboxing of the products that I get in my next box. So that's my plan for this. I'm hoping that you're finding this helpful. I wasn't sure about doing this at all, but I've just seen so many people getting so many really nice things in their boxes. I decided to give it a try. So it's only $25 for everything that I got in this box. So that's very exciting. So yeah, we're just going to see how it goes. At any rate, I hope that you found this video helpful or useful in some way. If you did, please hit that subscribe button, click the notification bell, like, share, do all of those things to help other people find this channel. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! Okay, so the next product that I got is this Skin & Co. Try it again. Yeah, I've never tried anything like this before. This sucker is, hold on, 20 bucks. Okay, do it again. So in today's video, I'm going to go over with you the products that I got in my BoxyCharm subscription box. I didn't know how to say it. Do it again. Oh, I love these beginnings. I just get it at the Dollar Tree. To me, it all does the same thing. It stays on all day if you use a good setting spray, which my setting spray is so-so, but you know, that's neither here nor there. No. Again. Okay, guys, so here's my box. This is what the box looks like. Cute little box that they send it in. And then if I open it up here, woo, we got some nice pink going on. Super cute. And then here are the products that they sent to me. Let's try that again. Let's do it again. Oh my God. Okay, guys, so here's my box. Super cute little box that they send to you. And, yeah, I don't know what I was going to say there. Okay, guys, so here's my box. Yay, pretty exciting. So it's a cute little box that you get here. And spoiler alert, I did already open it. But if I open it up here, here's what it looks like. Nice. How many times is that going to happen? Okay, guys, so the first thing that they sent to me was this Gerard Cosmetics lip liner in the color Luna. So, am I showing it to you guys? I don't even know. Let's try it again. Yeah. Okay, guys, so the final item. Awesome. And then we'll go ahead and review the products in the next box. We'll just keep doing it that way. Hoping that you'll find these helpful. You know, I hope that you guys... I messed up.